Michael, what was your condition before you came into contact with Kanetica?
Okay, I had dislocated shoulders of football injuries and what had caused muscles to get out of alignment, and I had a lot of back pain, and that was exacerbated during sport and also during sitting down at a computer, which never helps.
And I'm guessing you tried other things first, but what happened when you first came to Kanetica?
Yeah, I tried physio, chiropractor and just about everything in between. What I did is came to Basil on the recommendation of someone else, but I was a little bit cynical because I'd been there, done that before. Anyway, about the sixth time I saw Basil, and we were going through the Kanetica program, there was a sudden and pretty vast improvement actually. So that's allowed me now to surf and snowboard, which I love and enjoy, for up to 6 hours at a time, whereas before I'd be struggling to do an hour or two without some fairly significant pain.
So you must be pretty happy to be freed up in your body as you are now, are you?
Well, it's not just the physical side of it too, but it's you're less annoyed because you're not going through that pain all the time, and I guess it's a lifestyle thing. It helps your lifestyle. I was struggling without doing my sport, my surf and my snowboarding, so it's terrific to get back into that. It improves the overall lifestyle, I think.
So what would you be your personal recommendation to someone who's got a lot of pain in their body and various ailments that you think Kanetica could address pretty significantly?
Yeah, I think that's definitely a great idea to come and give it a go. And I think the main thing for me is to go for those 3 or 4 sessions, because I think you need that little bit of time, especially if you've been told and given promises before about big improvements. But try Kanetica, stick for those 3 or 4 sessions, because I think the benefit is well worthwhile.
And finally, out of 10, what would you give Kanetica from a performance point of view of actually addressing what was wrong with you?
Well, given that I've got all my movement back and I can do all the things I want to do, I'd have to give it 9 or 10. After the initial sessions I had, which loosened everything up and dealt with the pain side of things, what I've found since then is, especially my thoracic vertebrae, which wouldn't move before and there was no movement at all really, they're quite flexible now, which has really loosened up my lower back and where the pain was occurring. And the result of that, which is great, is now that I can do snowboarding, surfing and stand-up paddling in a couple of hours, and there's no pain and no discomfort from that.